Millersville University is an inclusive learning environment. We have a wide array of programs that support students from different countries.
My name is Jill. I'm from Marburg, Germany.
My name is Carlos. I'm from Spain.
I'm Nisha Katua. I'm from Nepal.
I'm Francisco Escobar. I'm from Chile.
My name is Cristina. I'm from Spain.
I'm Yohei. I'm from Japan.
Millersville University offers this small town atmosphere where international students are able to know the people who are on campus, know their professors or the administrators, where many of the higher level administrators actually have an open door policy as opposed to a larger institution.
Millersville University has a lot of good classes for my major and classes in general that are really interesting to me.
Well, Millersville University gave me many tools to accomplish my objectives. And I think all the people here are helpful, especially the teachers here. Acting class, they help me more with my soft abilities. Also with the English speaking, also I can be relaxed there.
I think many international students, it's easy for them to isolate themselves by being in the dorms if they don't have friends.
I miss my mother. And also, I miss my friend and my girlfriend. Yeah, I miss everything in Japan. American food, the taste is so strong for me. I think it's not so healthy. So I want to eat Japanese food more.
I lived in my country for 19 years. So when there are days and festivals that I miss that make me really sad.
In Chile, I always made the meetings with my friends. Sometimes I feel that I am alone.
We mix the students up. We try to do cultural activities and excursions to get them to find friends with other international students as well as volunteers. One of the things that we just did was a trip to New York City.
New York it's really the city that never sleeps, but I was really impressed by it and I would really definitely go back.
When I arrived on campus, there was a lot of excitement about internationalization. I believe that the people on campus, they were very welcoming.
I think Millersville is a very good university with a lot of good facilities. Everyone is like my family, so I don't have pressure. I didn't feel like nervous about that because I know they're my family, so they can help me.
When I told my parents that I want to go abroad and study for my higher education after high school, my parents were like, okay, I mean, you always had that dream, so just go fulfill it.
Since I came here, I've been so comfortable with the people, with the place, and with everything that I didn't realize that I'm so far away from home. I would recommend study abroad for everyone. It's really important to experience it in terms of knowing the culture, meeting new people, traveling far away from home, being independent. And I think Millersville is a really good place to do this experience.
My name is Dr. Daniel Wuba. I am the president of Millersville University, and you are welcome here.